Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Birdfy camera battery is draining much faster than expected, you may find yourself charging it more often even though the camera isn't being used heavily. A rapidly draining battery can shorten recording time, interrupt live viewing, and cause the camera to go offline unexpectedly. In many cases, the battery itself isn't the problem. Frequent AI processing, excessive live viewing, environmental conditions, and power settings can all increase energy usage. Before replacing the battery or assuming it's defective, there are a few simple adjustments that can help extend battery life. In this video, I'll show you several practical steps you can try. 1. Schedule the camera to reduce activity during hours when bird visits are unlikely. 2. Limit AI recognition features if you don't use them regularly. 3. Avoid leaving live view open for long periods while monitoring the feeder. 4. Move the camera to a location protected from extreme heat or freezing temperatures. 5. Clean the solar panel surface regularly if your Birdfy model uses solar charging.